Pancake. This is Kathy, and today we're going to be making buttermilk pancakes with the Vitamix. This is the Ascent 3500. This is my favorite machine. This machine actually has 5 pre-programmed settings, one for soups, one for smoothies, one for frozen desserts, one for puree, and one for wash. And what those pre-programmed settings do is it takes it up to the speed it needs to be at, times it, and then shuts itself off when it's finished. If you already have a Vitamix and it's not this one, don't worry about that because you can still do this recipe in any Vitamix that you have. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and this is much easier than bringing out a stand mixer or anything like that, and it's so much better and healthier for you than the boxed that you can buy in the store. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So in my container, this is the 64-ounce container that comes with the machine. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our wet ingredients. We're going to add 2 cups of buttermilk. And you always want to add the ingredients in the order that is on the recipe. We do that purposely so that it goes in order. We're going to add 3 eggs. We're going to add some olive oil. We're going to add some salt, and then we're going to add some sugar. We're going to go ahead and put the lid on, and we're going to go ahead and take this out of the sleep mode, and we're just going to blend this on variable speed 5 to 6. And for about 5 seconds, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the lid plug hole out. And this is where your tamper goes in, but we're going to add some baking soda, some baking powder. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and we're going to add this to it while it's blending. So we want to keep the lid intact, so we'll be adding that into where the tamper usually goes. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start this and go up to 5 or 6. We're going to go ahead and add our flour. Gotta take the lid plug out. And you just want to blend that for about 15 to 20 seconds until it's all incorporated. Made a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. We can clean it up. And now I have my nice homemade pancake batter. And then you can also go ahead and make your own syrup in the Vitamix with just fresh fruit and some sugar. And we'll have those recipes for you. You can also make whipped cream and butter. You can make your whole breakfast in the Vitamix. So thanks so much for joining us and have a great day.